Namaste guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm Divya and I make videos book related, so make sure to like, comment and share as much as you can, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So as promised, for today's book review Thursday, I'm going to review this book, that is Ratna Dholi short story collection by Dhoomketu and translated by Jenny Bhatt. So Dhoomketu is a popular short story collection author from Gujarat. He mostly used to write in Gujarati from rural Gujarat areas, but his short story collection was so filled with humanity, sensitivity of the caste system, gender inequality and everything. This is my first time reading this book. Of course, I haven't read his Gujarati collection or any other translated version at all. So this was my first collection, short story collection by Dhoomketu and translated by Jenny Bhatt, and I'm glad to say that this is also my first read of 2021 and I absolutely loved it. So this book, that is Ratna Dholi, has collection of 26 short stories. I thought that it would be more than that, as this book nearly is of like 300 or 350 pages. So I thought it would be more, but believe me, all the 26 stories have their unique touch in them and I absolutely loved them. So the collection of short stories by Dhoomketu is of various type. It doesn't stop at one point. It talks about all the other things that he could talk about in just a single short story collection books of 26. These short stories talk about so many things that happens in the society. Not like, of course, they are mostly based on rural people, rural society of Gujarat, but it doesn't stop there, as I've said. It talks about humanity, sensitive topics and every other thing. So some of my favorite stories from this collections are Post Office, Tears of Soul, The Queen of Nepal and The Home of Happy Delusion. And one more thing is that On the Bank of Saryu. Just after reading the first short story collection, that is of Post Office, I was actually feeling emotion after reading. So the first story, The Post Office, is about a man who used to do wrong deeds and everything, but now that his wife is dead and his daughter is actually married someone and is living somewhere far away from him, he used to go to this office every day to just receive one letter from her, and all his life he didn't receive a single letter, and finally after his death he finally received the letter. And also the thing is that the whole office staff used to criticize him, used to make fun of him, calling him crazy and every other thing that they could call him. And after his death, the same thing actually happens with the daughter of the post office head, and he then realized what that man was going through. So this was quite emotionally read. It was just like 3 or 4 pages that short story is, but it has so many things in it in just 3 or 4 pages. I can't even tell you. So like this, there are so many other short story collections in the road that I would highly recommend you to start reading. And as I said, this book talks about so many things in a society. One of the short story, again, that is Tears of Souls, is talks about how woman has to sacrifice because of just being beautiful, and yeah, she has to sacrifice her womanhood, her motherhood, everything just for the being a beauty and being in the name of saving country. And another short story collection is of that On the Bank of Saryu. As I've told, it's about a father-son relationship and the kind of the curiosity a child's mind has, and how it affects a child's mind if the curiosity of his is not exactly being explained to him, if like it just came off like brush off of him. And another story that I really loved in this collection was Queen of Nepal, and it talks about infidelity and how to married people, a man and a woman, do infidelity, and how after they try we're just going to elope somewhere and start our own world, and how after that the man realized after watching a Ramayan play going in their gaon, in their village, and he realized what he did with his wife was so damn wrong. Even though he didn't came true with his wife, but still this happened, and how at the end was actually, I was happy that they got what they deserved in kind of way. So, and another short story collection that I totally forgot about talking to you all is Ratna Dholi. Yes, I thought this was just the book name and it didn't have any relevant to any kind of stories, and I don't know why I thought that even after reading so many books, but I thought that. And yes, this book, this topics, that is the Ratan Dholi title, is actually a short story collection in this book, and I absolutely again adored that story. It's again about a dholak player, a drummer, and his wife Sundari, and how people's false assumptions and their false rumors can affect the life of a couple and how it destroyed them. So that story was absolutely like sacrificer and a kind of epic love story for me. There's just 3 or 4 pages again. So yeah, I would highly recommend you to read this book. You would love this book. It's only a short story collection, so you won't get bored if you don't like novels. So I hope you like this video. It's my first time actually to review a short story collection, and do let me know in the comment section if you liked it or not, or if you have any recommendation for me for short story collection. I would highly love to read them, because I usually read short stories like Indian Hindi books. I mean, like not even I could say short story collection, they are more like child middle grade books that are like Jatak Kathaएं, Akbar Birbal, Panchtantra. Yeah, I've been talking about them for all my booktube journey. So yeah, I used to read them only. So yeah, if you have any recommendation for me, do comment in the comment section. I would love to read them also. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. So goodbye until the next video.